I chose to become a servant leadership champion because I believe in the power of putting other people's needs first. It aligns with my core values and purpose because I fundamentally believe that when you take care of people, it enables the overall business and communities. So that's the reason I have chosen servant leadership as my style of leadership. Yeah, the certification was very rigorous at the same time, very enjoyable journey. It involves attending and facilitating several workshops and also developing your own significant story. It helped me in understanding the concept in detail in a very structured way and connecting some of the understandings and convictions to practical results. Because as you know, the servant leadership that we have here in UST is measurable. We connect it to the results. So that way, this is no longer an abstract concept. It's empirical. You can measure the impact, and when you do the certification journey, you really experience that. So that way, it was an enriching experience. So the certification, of course, gives you the credibility in front of the community and in front of others, and most importantly, it gives you the confidence about and courage to represent yourself as a servant leadership practitioner. So it has helped me in enhancing my confidence and courage and belief in this leadership philosophy. Using the certification, I can facilitate more sessions. I'm a certified practitioner, so I can do the sessions across the world, which I've been doing for the last couple of years. Thanks to COVID, it was virtual. Now this is a post-pandemic world, and we have now the liberty to do in-person sessions. So that's a different experience, and that's what I'm planning to do. We are planning our first session, in-person hybrid session in Malaysia in September 2023. So looking forward to that.